video, I'm going to show you how far I've gone with the wheels and tires. Got them all cleaned up, painted, front end, back. You can see that. I got the brake drums all done. I'll give them one more coat of paint after I install them. But they need another coat. And here's the tires. The spares back here. It has a white wall. It's a smaller tire, just a spare. And I have these. Okay. And that's what it's going to look like. I'm not going to put the black back in here. I'm going to leave it the way it is. And that's how it's going to look with the middle cap. I've got two more ordered. I got two good ones, or fairly good. And I'm going to put them on. I'll probably put the front ones back on. I got brakes coming from the rear. The front brakes are good. They're discs. The drums in rear. I resurfaced those, so I want to get some better shoes on it to make sure everything's good. And the front, I got to replace the steering, boots, whatever they are. They're coming too. And then once I get the brakes done and the tires and wheels back on, I'll put it back down, and then I'll start on something new. Thanks for watching.